saying? Because without y'all, I wouldn't even be able to do this shit. You feel me? Yo, we really outside in the square, no cap.
85 when you pull up, thank you.
Howdy, partner. That's Hold up. No cap, nigga. Oh, it's 11:56. And we got a special video for y'all today. We about to wrap Christmas lights on the car. About to go meet up with a couple friends. Well, probably not a couple friends. I might just pull up on my boy Austin. And go help bro put lights on his shit. And then I'm gonna wrap mines. And then we're gonna catch back up with y'all when we get to Austin crib. Bye. Scratch that. We about to go hit the car wash. Cause bro, they didn't, the birds done tore my car up. They done dropped 1,000 pieces of poop on my car. Got all on the top, bro. Why they do me like that? Yeah, we ready to go hit the car wash. You know, my tires stay flat. We're ready to go hit the wash. I'm gonna check on y'all when the car done.
What?
Alright, so right now, I'm in the fucking car wash because the birds shit on my car, and I'm currently talking to Rochelle. Say hi to the fucking channel. Here, washing the car, checking with y'all when we get out. Just everything, bro. I really don't give a fuck.
That's what I'm saying, that's why I know you're ready. Like, you gotta be joking.
The bird shit is still on my fucking view.
Realize we're just talking about you on my birthday school shit. Like, are you just talking about you? But she said she's gonna call you to do help with the
Alright, so my dumb ass forgot that I ain't have no plate back there. So now my whole engine bay wet. But it's cool. Most of the bird poop is off. Except here, we gonna wipe it down, but it's semi-clean to get these lights put on. We're gonna catch up with y'all to Austin house. You feel me? We're gonna get all these lights put on. Car gonna look completely different. You feel what I'm saying? The car gonna look completely different. Yeah, Austin crib. About to start on Durango lights. Well, they probably already started, but we ready to see how much progression they at. And then we're gonna start on my joint. How long did it take you to do this, bro?
Started at like 8:30.
Started early.
It's like 4 hours so far.
It's fucking 12:50.
Just know my fingers are raw.
Chair, bro.
Bro, this shit look OD, but I feel like that shit gonna be tough though when it's done. Bro, get the Durango cat. Almost done. He got fucking what? You gotta do this last fender?
Oh yeah.
2,000 years later.
Damn. Damn. Yo, this Joe talk to Ross. How you feeling, bro?
Yeah, it's too hard.
Damn. What the fuck? Nah. That shit hard. So we still got to do one more fender, bro, but fuck. This shit dice. Oh my god.
We lit.
Yeah, bro, this joint tough. Alright. He's got one more fender left. Cat be done. Call.
That doesn't look like this shit in.
Beaking me, bro.
Nah,
We went up. I went to the other side. We went up and around.
oh. Bro, cut the lights.
Vote for both of them?
Yeah.
What?
How you feel about this? Bro, cut the lights and now they don't work.
I think he fucked up.
And when I do, I up the switch and be done sometimes I'm trying to dig him up so we can do it right. And they don't work for tickets, so one decision could cost me my whole life. And sometimes I be like, fuck this rapping shit, we could take a life tonight. And when I'm done taking trips, I'm back in the mix, so killing still my life.
Alright, so look, now we about to put Christmas lights online. Probably halfway through the process, a little bit during it, we're gonna record a little bit, and then we're gonna give you all the finished product after. Jamie, the electrician. How long you been doing electrician, bro?
Really? Like, since high school, bro. Like 6, 7 years.
Alright, so tell them how many lights.
6, 7.
So boom, I got 1,200 lights. Better get this drawn, you know what I'm saying?
I have the beam fast.
How long you think it's gonna take?
See, it took the Rango about like 4 or 5 hours.
So it's probably gonna take like
2, 3, hopefully.
I ain't gonna lie, this joint kinda dicey. Bust.
What side do you start?
So going now, we got the hood done. Shout out my boy J Murph behind the cam. We got Austin too. He's just fucking with his car right now. Alright, so when we got the hood done, you know, tape cuts are pretty clear. So we're gonna have the hood. We got the hood done now, and then we're gonna go down the side. So after we get that whole side done from like here all the way down here, we're gonna tap back in with y'all. We got the car, probably an hour. Us in the back.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Now we gotta see what it look like.
Not necessarily the second half.
I think I lost. Oh wait. Bro, it took us about like an hour and some change to do this. Shout out to the bros for helping me. J Murph behind the cam, for helping me and shit like that. So we're gonna tap back in probably like Friday when we all meet up. And then really that's it, bro. We're gonna meet up with everybody else and figure out the crews and shit where we going after that.
2,000 years later.
We got a couple more hours until we leave, so got some people that want to ride with me, bro. So I gotta put this seat back in, all these seats. And guess who's helping me?
Hey, for record, he said, I'm passenger seat.
Yeah, bro, I told him a passenger seat, then bought everything up, you know. Big SRT, might as well put bro to work. Shout out, guys. So, how you feeling today, bro?
Lovely.
We gotta go help Chris, he fucked his car up.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Yo, we ready to pull up on Chris, put these seats back in, bro. We ready to put these seats back in, bro, and then we gonna check it with y'all. Don't care.
Keep them bitches up by the session, working.
Alright, so we at Chris' crib now. Put interior back in. Get all this gas out. Come on, bro. Follow me, bro. Shout out J Mar behind the cam, though. You know what I'm saying? Shout out. We gotta put the whole car back there. So now we're gonna get this to Chris, because Chris gonna do all the work.
Oh yeah, Chris playing Legos.
Yeah, we doing all the work. This is the guy that just, you know, when I can't.
Make shit happen.
Yeah, when I do it, Chris do it.
Mr. spilled gas on the driveway.
Alright, so now we gotta grab the seat. Yo, he got mice droppings in his fucking car.
I don't got my shit in here.
What is that?
I know we do got though. What you got? Talk about that though. Zero, close that.
Pull this last seat out, bro. It's too. I'm not a fan of
Oh!
bro.
Sorry.
Almost died on cam.
Yeah, bro. You might have to go ahead and hop him in there, rookie.
How do I do this? Hey! Yeah. Like a cobweb on. We're not even gonna bolt these bitches in. We just gonna put them back in for the love of the guys.
How you feeling? How you feeling today, brother?
Huh? Bro, twerking.
Bro got ass tooted up. Oh, damn. Don't panic.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yo! Yo, bro. Yo, he's all bullshit, bro. What? You just hit you. I get you with the shin rub, bro. Bro, crack this shit on there.
How you feeling?
Type shit. What we doing, bro? Okay, okay. Look at bro's posture in this joint. Let me see, bro. Look at bro, what? Look at his posture inside.
Nigga, this little ass.
Look at this guy. Hardly working. You know what I pay, cousin?
We better go get food after this. This nigga about to pay me in food. Fuck it.
Where we going? Huh? Can you wait a little bit? I gotta go home and change, bro.
Whoa.
Fuck you. What's fuck me for?
He ain't tell you where we had to go.
That's your trim piece, brother.
Trim piece is not going back in.
Alright, we fuck the trim pieces then. We don't need them things.
You okay there? So you know what you're doing, bro.
Huh? How you doing, brother?
Nigga, I'll make shit happen. Fuck is y'all talking about? Can Bob you later?
Yeah, that's the Dr. Duper Mercer in nature.
That's that shit. And you nigga got fucking coffee on the side of this shit.
I got coffee.
Oh.
Coffee where?
Nigga. Or is that dirt?
That ain't coffee. I think I cheese on it.
Cheese.
Nope.
Nasty ass nigga.
Come on, bro. You top cheese.
I'm not. I am.
How do I put this in, bro?
What? Don't ever ask another grown man how to put something in.
Yo, it's a fucking seat.
Whoa, what?
We gonna crank you.
Whoa. Excuse me, sir. Do you know what you're doing?
That nigga don't know shit.
I don't know what I'm doing. We had the whole interior back in the car in 10 minutes though.
Oh, shit.
Fuck ass nigga.
It's not lined up on this side.
Line it the fuck up there.
Ooh.
Line you the fuck up.
Whoa. You gonna talk to you like that, bro?
Bro. He's a bitch. I don't think this shit go back. Oh. Bro, I don't know how to put it in.
Pause.
Up over there.
Oh, we go like this. Yeah. Give me $100, I'll put somebody bitch down the steps. So you pay me $100, I'll push anybody joint down the steps. Keep it their butt.
You're top payer for wrenching.
Yo, bro, shut it.
Your battery dies, I'm calling Kev.
All right, guys.
One tank.
Put E-Jug back in.
What you doing? What you got going on there?
On the kids, bro.
Huh?
So you do the.
We gotta strap these motherfuckers.
They in there? Oh.
Alright, so we fucking NYC prep, bruh. Car dirty as shit, but who give a fuck? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so still prepping for NYC. I gotta put windshield wiper fluid and coolant in my car. Can't have no overheating problems out there. Alright, we back. I put some windshield wiper fluid in now. We got the extra extreme temperature because we gonna need it, bro. They're calling for a snowstorm. Wait, how about? Oh my God, my tires probably overflowing. Luckily, we caught that joint in time. Alright, so we good. Got everything, bro. We checking all the fucking dots and I's, bro, cause we cannot get stranded, bro. Alright, so now we're on our way to the rest stop to meet up with everybody else. I just ripped my fucking lights. So only half my shit work, bro. So we gonna run into some electrician niggas, bro, and they gonna try to fix my shit. Hopefully they can, cause like, what the fuck. But yeah, we ready to hit the rest stop, meet up with like, I think like 4 or 5 people, and then we gonna catch back up with y'all, and then we gonna see what's up. I'm cool.
Alright, your total is $12.85 when you pull up. Thank you.
Howdy, partner. We had the Starbucks, man. You feel me? You know we gotta get good drinks for the ride. As you can see, it's already raining. It's gonna be a long ride, bro. You get people telling me it's supposed to snow. Don't you think I fucking know that?
It's $12.85.
Yo, bro, this shit is right apart. Huh? That shit is right apart. Shout out that nigga Austin. Yo, shout out that nigga Austin. He's making my fucking life. You can tell I fucked with Jones up.
Camera on the cameraman.
The camera in his face. That's prime right there. We back outside.
No, just like that.
Austin the fucking electrician.
Yeah.
I love it. Great taking a long ass fucking ride. Probably gonna get stuck in traffic like about 10 times. Just say a prayer, bro. Dear God, we thank you for the 240 to not fuck up today, because if it does, we're fucked. Alright, so boom. We probably about like 29 minutes from the first rest stop to pick up my boy Dylan and somebody else. Alright, going 240 is holding up. I'm not gonna talk too soon. Gotta knock on wood, cause this car is a great car. That motherfucker cute. Pulling up to the rest stop, I clearly cannot see, bro. Like, this one headlight shit, it's for the birds. I'm not fucking with it, but I'm fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Can we go in this? I'm ready to do something illegal.
Bro said I'm breaking all laws.
Yo! Where the fuck are we going? Gotta turn around, bro. I look dumb as hell. Come on, Austin, what the fuck, man? This nigga see me parking, bro. We risking it. We risking it. Oh shit, I put a boomerang. Yeah, bro. We risking it for that shit. Got everybody outside. It's my boy fucking Biff, dog.
What's up, guys?
Yo, tell him your fit today.
You know,
You got that-
Carhartt on the full zip onesie shit, you know, Sqaure on the shoe tip, Carhartt on the beanie tip, Essential on the work tip.
On this episode of Actual Weather News 6, ABC, RJ Smith forecast. It is currently snowing outside. We are riding to New York in the fucking snow. Pure fucking dedication from the guys. Shout out the bros. You feel what I'm saying? Cause without y'all, I wouldn't even be able to do this shit. You feel me? Like, we literally riding on snow. I have street tire on in the front. Shout out to Continentals in the back though. You mean? But we gonna keep going. I think, oh, that's cuz right here with the single exit. We're literally riding on snow. Can you show them that we're literally riding on snow, bro? Where are the clouds? Look at cuz over there, he chilling. You feel what I'm saying? But we're about 13 minutes away from the gas station. As you can see, I need gas. I'm at 45 miles. And we're just gonna keep it going. Yo, we're about 3 minutes from the gas stop. You see the snow outside? We really out here having a fucking ball. You feel what I'm saying? Like, we really out here having a ball, really living life, bro. Name some other niggas that's gonna take a 3-hour NYC trip in the fucking snow. Shout out to the bros that's really out here making it happen.
checking the truck. We hit the gas down. We like far as shit from Times Square. You know? I gotta put 85 on my shit. You know what I'm saying? We still got a long way to go. 38 minutes. Once we hit Times Square, we gonna check in with y'all, bro. Bro, we are currently riding on that, like actual snow, bro. Like we're riding on actual snow. You feel me? Like probably only made up like 10 minutes. Yeah, bro. We still got 35 minutes left, bro. When we get out here, we're gonna see some new scenery. We're gonna see everything. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna keep it going. Look at that nice G-Wagon right there. You know what I mean? But we just gonna keep going, bro. And hopefully in the next hour we could get the Times Square. I ain't gonna lie, bro, that tunnel run was crazy. Why the turbo start talking like that, bro? That motherfucker start talking.
Later.
Bro, this thing is getting so shitty, bro. Oh, bro, we 2 minutes from Times Square. We 2 miles from Times Square, and we 21 minutes. I'm trying to tell niggas, bro, and I'm gonna tell niggas again. Whenever I say we doing something, bro, we really gonna do it, no matter the fucking weather. This shit, bro. We in a snowstorm with the bros. We in a snowstorm, and we having it our fucking way, bro. Call niggas and say we going to Times Square in the snow, nigga. That, you know what that means? Times Square in the fucking snow. And if you not outside, what the fuck are you doing? Talk to him. Yo, we really outside in the square, no cap. Really here. Y'all say something for the channel. You gonna say something for the channel? I'm drawing if I stand on the 240.
You gonna bust your ass, bro.
You shut this shit down. We got everybody outside, bro. I'm trying to tell you, bro. We really got everybody up. Money man.
Nah, that's
Yo, Money Man. No doubt, nigga. I'm trying to tell you. Oh my God.
Boy, if you don't get
And we had the whole Times Square shut down. This shit too lit, bro. No cap. Yo, where can we park at, bro?
Right over there, probably.
For how long, though?
I don't know. You gotta read the signs.
Try to move up in front of me as close as you can.
You just beat me with that, John?
Bro. You gotta fucking... I can't even show you. Wait, I got a towel right here. Wait me down. This shit be fucking dog. I got pissed though, bro. Like this shit, nigga. Times Square really fucking jumping. Why the fuck nobody come outside? Y'all niggas is missing out. Times Square is fucking rocking. Look, bro.
Okay. Wow. Oh, look at that.
I got everybody out here. We got Austin right here too. Bro, I'm having a ball. You niggas out Times Square right now. I ain't gonna lie. This house was a little jam, but you feel me? But we out Times Square and shit, bro. We trying to figure out what niggas want to eat. We just aura farm the fuck out of Times Square though. Yeah, that shit jumping. But for right now, bro, you gotta catch the scenery, bro. Let me see.
Nigga, cause you want to speak like a freaking mouse. I had to have the freaking shit so close to your fucking face.
Hold up. Back. Going back to the car and shit. It's been a fucking long drive. We drove like 4 hours up here. You know, niggas had to grab the eats and shit. Ready to go back out Times Square a bit for a little bit and then we ready to head back home. Out here having it, bro. Keep telling niggas. Keep telling niggas, bro. If you're not outside, what the fuck are you doing? You feel me? 85 life, bro.
Money man.
Man, bro, I'm just trying to get home, bro.
It's so different.
Oh, yeah, I'm definitely. Oh, shit. We're on the way back home, man. Check in with y'all niggas after we fucking take like a 2-hour drive, cuz. Nigga tired. Say that. Shit. So we had a good time in fucking NYC, bro. We fucking aura farm Times Square. That shit was crazy. I can't even lie to you. Had a fucking ball. But now we on the way back home, bro. We got 2 hours and 19 minutes. Probably an hour or 3 we gonna check in with y'all, cause bro, this Delaware Memorial Bridge is crazy.
Shit.
Nah, bro. Bro, that nigga wanted to feel included so bad, bro. Like, Nigga fucked up the shot and everything, bro. I hate niggas, dog. Like, that shit just cooked me, bro. Not too far from the crib. Brother's so fucking cooked, bro. As you can see, I don't got no headlights, bro. The bed is calling my name. RJ. Yeah, we got 35 minutes. We gonna do it. So this is the end of the vid. We back home safe. Got the 240 here. I'm not gonna lie, I thought the bitch was gonna break today, but we back. Feel me? I had a great day with the bros. Shout out everyone that slid and supported. We was in Times Square getting whatever. But as I'm ending this video off, bro, the Each is in the car. We didn't even get to show y'all, but next video, if you're not outside, what the fuck are you doing?
You woke me up, I was rolling on dope when the dope slim. Got so many guns inside the house, we ready to shoot it out. My dog, you died right to that fire, I'm ready to put one down.